All right, we'll try and make this update super quick. We had some issues with the foundation. So you can kind of see there's a nice squared off like concrete wall. Basically we use that to shore up a semi-eroding foundation, and that we continued that kind of all along this wall as well, all the way over to there. You'll see that foundation. You see how it's kind of crumbling away or whatever. Now that side is looking pretty okay. Talked to an engineer as well as several construction folks that say, oh yeah, this is kind of what a Salida house looks like if it's built in 1916. The front wall that I just showed you, and then we got a couple other spots, were worse. We're just pretty bad. So we decided to kind of shore those up. So in here, flip a light on. So you'll see all along this wall, this was the worst of it. So we got the forms in there, all that concrete poured today. That's really gonna, hopefully, more than anything, keep the existing wall from eroding, or eroding anymore. But it's probably also gonna offer some strength as well. So, all right, let me back up here. Try not to kill myself. Yeah, this is the spare room. Similar issue with the joists in here, that they were just super bouncy, and they were all, if you can see kind of like right here and here and here, they were all posted up, and they were posted up about 3/4 of an inch too high. So this room is going to have a lot more flat and level of a floor when we're done. So pretty excited about that. Last thing I'll show you here is just more concrete. So that's what's going on in this corner. So there was some brick back there and what have you. So we shored that up. We also cut out some of the work that the plumbers have done tying into the old risers. And so our friend Dana is coming over tomorrow, and he and I are going to dismantle all this drywall that normally lives behind our cabinets. And we're gonna redo a bunch of this plumbing because a lot of it's old, and like those shut-off valves for the sink are getting real sticky and probably should be replaced anyway. So we're just gonna knock that out tomorrow. Paul is gonna do a bunch of cleanup and kind of some little things here and there for probably about half a day, and then leave Dana and I to finish that plumbing stuff up. And then next week, we should be putting insulation and subfloor in this main room, and we'll be off to the races. So not quite as quick of an update as I thought it might be, but there we are. Friggin' good times.